Look at this castle. It has towers and flags everywhere.
That looks amazing. Can we build one too?
We need blankets and pillows to make our castle big.
I will get more pillows from my bedroom right now.
Hold this corner tight while I tie the blanket here.
Is it high enough? Can we go inside now?
This is the door to our special castle kingdom.
Now we need a flag to show everyone this is ours.
I am drawing a king and queen on our flag today.
Can you draw a dragon too for our kingdom?
Wow, it looks like a real castle from inside here.
Welcome to the Blanket Fort Kingdom, good Sir Knight. You are the king of this castle now, Your Majesty.
And you are my queen. Let us rule this kingdom well.
There is a message from the neighboring kingdom far away.
I will protect our kingdom with my brave sword, always.
A dragon is coming to attack our castle today.
We must be brave knights and fight to save our kingdom.
I am not afraid of any dragon in the whole wide world.
Together, we are the strongest knights in all the land. Run faster! The dragon is trying to escape from us.
Catch it quick before it flies away into the sky.
You caught the dragon! You are the bravest knight ever!
We saved our kingdom from the scary dragon together.
Look, the magical treasure chest appeared in our castle.
Are those chocolate chip cookies? They look so delicious.
Royal knights always eat cookies after fighting dragons, right?
Yes, they do. These are the best victory cookies ever. Another message came to our kingdom this afternoon.
It says a princess needs help in the forest far away. We must travel through the forest to save the princess today.
Let us go on our horses and be very brave knights.
The castle is shaking. Is our kingdom going to fall down?
Do not worry, Jack. Strong castles can survive any storm. Oh no! Water is coming into our castle from the sky.
The rain is getting inside our kingdom right now.
We need to fix this leak before our kingdom gets too wet.
I will get more blankets to cover the hole in our roof.
Our castle is falling down because of the big storm outside.
I feel sad that our kingdom got destroyed by the rain today.
Even if our castle fell, we still have each other as friends.
You are right. Being together is the best part of any kingdom.
I have a wonderful idea to make our kingdom even better now.
What is your amazing idea? Tell me quickly, please.
We will build a stronger castle with extra supports inside today.
That is a smart idea. Let us start building it right now.
You hold that side while I connect these two blankets together.
This blanket castle is becoming stronger with every piece we add. Our new castle is bigger and stronger than before.
It is the most wonderful blanket fort kingdom in the whole world. Look, a beautiful rainbow appeared after the storm went away.
It is like a magic bridge to a happy place far away.
Our kingdom survived the storm because we worked together as a team.
We are the best knight duo in the entire Blanket Fort Kingdom.
What an amazing castle you two built together today.
Mommy, this is our blanket fort kingdom. Do you like it?
This is the most beautiful castle I have ever seen, my dears.
We fought a dragon and rebuilt it after the storm today.
It is getting late, little kings and queens. Time for dreamland soon.
But we are not ready to leave our kingdom yet, Mommy.
You can sleep in your castle tonight if you promise to rest well.
Oh, thank you. We will be the happiest royals in the whole land.
This was the best adventure we ever had in our kingdom, Jack.
Tomorrow, we will have more fun adventures together. I promise you.
Good night, my little king and queen. Sweet dreams in your castle. Good night, Mommy. We love our blanket kingdom so much.
I love you, Mommy. This was the best day ever.